So recently we had conducted a creative writing workshop for our students, and this is what our students had to say.
I really enjoyed this workshop because it made me feel comfortable. The way I am learning things, it really excited me.
So I enjoyed the workshops, I enjoyed the prompts that you gave, and I enjoyed the explanations of the different kinds of creative writing.
The session was very interactive and so it was good.
I learned how to analyze a character, the various aspects of character analysis.
I liked how we get to interact with all of these people and listen to their stories, and that was a nice experience. So I'll remember that.
So impressed the way the sunset was explained. It was so beautifully explained. I never thought that a sunset could be explained this beautifully.
A lot of firstly how to write a speech in a matter of 5 minutes.
Like a personal experience, I had a boost of confidence.
A very interactive session. I love the vibe here, and I really got a chance to express myself, and it also boosted my confidence.